we're ready.
Are you gonna make a face paint?
Yeah, we're gonna make a face paint.
I wanted that face paint with like glitter.
Of course.
I didn't need a pencil. Oh, it's a paintbrush.
It is. Look like a pencil.
Are you trying to find match the names there? No? What does it say? Please a sticker for painting.
I don't see anything on my
You
face.
don't see anything yet?
I only see white.
Close eyes softly. Softly. Just don't squeeze. Don't squeeze. Don't squeeze. Good. Don't squeeze. I'm gonna sparkle you, darling. Close pretty eyes. Don't open.
It tickles.
Eyes closed for some more sparkles, okay? Don't open. Okay, babe, I'm gonna do eyeshadow. As soon as it's on, I'm gonna dry it, honey, so just don't open. Okay, you can dry it. Boop. Other side.
Am I done?
Nope, almost. So close.
Are you gonna make the ears?
That's what, yeah, that's what I'm doing. You could feel that.
Do I look sparkly?
You do. You can sparkle again. Don't open. So pretty.
You don't see it, Sophia, but it's very beautiful. I think it's a unicorn.
Oh yeah, I gotta give her the horn. Wait, I'm not used to being up so late. Here comes her horn. forgot your horn. You're terrible.
My mom and dad must have not know me anymore.
No, they're gonna say, where did our little girl go? Who is this beautiful unicorn instead?
So you've done all of these?
Yep.
This is beautiful.
Oh, thank you. All right, pretty bear.
Done now?
All done now. Presenting the unicorn princess.
Ooh.
So pretty. Do you want lipstick? What do you think?
Yeah, I want lipstick. With color lipstick.
We gotta do purple.
Purple?
Yeah, it'll look good.
Oh
Extra
my
pretty.
God.